Hello gaming Leviathans, I just wanted to make a quick video comparing a AEM wideband, I guess just the sensor mostly itself, versus a Chinese Amazon one. I paid $70 for this one, and I paid like 130 like 3 or 4 years ago for this one. It actually still works, but the serial output is just pegged at 99.9, so it does not work in the aspect of utilizing it for tuning and HP tuners. So I'm looking at the stuff. I don't remember exactly what the harness looks like. It's snaked in my car right now, so I'm definitely not pulling it out. I want to say it was pretty similar quality looking stuff. I want to say this was exactly what came with the AEM one, the bong and then the connectors. And then here's the back pins. Those on the AEM I think were a gold color. And they look pretty similar down to the font even, I would say. But I am going to disassemble them both. And look at the boards. Alright, we got the Bing chilling on the right and then the AEM one on the left. I'm not going to pretend like I know what I'm looking at on these boards here, but they are slightly different. Now that could just be the fact that I bought this one 4 years ago and this one was made more recently. Or it could be the fact that they are made in different factories. I do not know. I mean, they look to me, with my little knowledge, like they would function exactly the same. I mean, all the resistors are in the same place. All the chips are in the same place. They all have the same readings on them. Again, AEM, Amazon. And here's just kind of a comparison of the backs here. All right, let me flip these over. Got AEM trademark here on the top right. Same PCB number at the top though. Chinese right here. We have the trademark 2014 again. It's just missing the AEM stamp. Also, this board looks like it has been played with at some point. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if that's from the Chinese kid in the factory, or if the machine goofed on that one, or if somebody just didn't know what they were doing. That's how it looks when I solder shit, okay? This board is definitely cleaner. I mean, it looks nicer. But I mean, functionally, I'm gonna have to say, I bet they work the same. I'm going to put them back together, and I will go out in the car and hot swap them and compare them both. Like I said, the AEM still works. The only thing that doesn't work is the buttons don't work for some reason in the serial output. So we'll test both those too. Just give me a minute. The AEM one does look nicer. Just in terms of like the gauge and how it actually looks. And the numbers are a little different. I'm gonna send this one back to Amazon because this is clearly not my problem. But I would bet money that they function very similar, if not on the same level. So, I mean, if you want to save like 130 bucks or something, I would probably grab the Chinese one, bro. But now I'm going to go and try to fix whatever's going on with this. So, thank you and goodbye.